Hi everyone, welcome back to Channel Name. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of rainbows. Have you ever wondered how those stunning arcs of color form in the sky? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore the science behind rainbows. First things first, what exactly is a rainbow? A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. First things first, what exactly is a rainbow? A rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that is caused by reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in a spectrum of light appearing in the sky. Rainbows start with sunlight. Sunlight might look white, but it actually contains all the colors of the spectrum. When sunlight encounters a raindrop, it slows down and bends, or refracts, because water is denser than air. This bending of light causes the different colors to spread out because each color bends by a different amount. This is called dispersion. After the light enters the raindrop and splits into different colors, something amazing happens. The light reflects off the inside surface of the raindrop. This reflection causes the light to bounce back out of the raindrop at different angles, creating the circular shape of the rainbow. But we're not done yet. The light refracts or bends again as it exits the raindrop, further spreading out the colors. This second refraction makes the colors even more distinct. Now we have a full spectrum of colors arranged in a beautiful arc. So why do we see all those different colors? It all comes down to the different wavelengths of light. Red light has the longest wavelength, so it bends the least, while violet light has the shortest wavelength, so it bends the most. This difference in bending angles is what spreads the colors out into a rainbow. Ever seen a double rainbow? This happens when the light reflects twice inside the raindrop before exiting. The second reflection creates a second, fainter, and reversed rainbow. The colors of the second rainbow are reversed because of the second reflection. For a rainbow to appear, you need three key things: sunlight, water droplets, and the right angle. The sun needs to be low in the sky, usually in the early morning or late afternoon. The rain must be falling in part of the sky while the sun is shining in another part, and the observer needs to be between the sun and the rain. Did you know no two people see the same rainbow? That's because the light is being refracted, reflected, and dispersed at slightly different angles for each observer. Also, a rainbow is actually a full circle. We usually see just an arc because the ground gets in the way. Rainbows are truly a fascinating blend of science and beauty. Next time you see one, you'll know exactly how that wonderful display of colors came to be. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Leave a comment below about your most memorable rainbow sighting. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.